guys, welcome back. I'm here in a new vehicle, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tour. We purchased this vehicle from Carvana, had it shipped out to the house. The process was very easy. Once we got it here, we decided that we needed to clean it up really good, give it a good vacuum in it, detailing. Then we drove it for a few weeks. We've installed a power charger at home so that we get like level 2 charging at home. Pretty good. It's not supercharger good. So then we decided that we needed to take it on a road trip and really test it out, see about the range and how to use superchargers. So me and Henry decided to take off to Charleston and have a nice trip together. Here you see her all shined up. She's ready to go. Got the new tag on the front. We're excited to head out on this road trip. But before we go, I have a little something for you. Alright guys, we've made our first stop of the day. We are at a Tesla supercharger near Columbia, South Carolina. There are a lot of bays here. Henry's here with me. So this is actually our first time using this Tesla supercharger. So guys, since we've been here, since we plugged in, and it's been less than 2 minutes that we've been recording the entire time, we were at 23%. We're already at 30% right now. So it is supercharging. I guess that Elon picked a good name for it. So we're flying through it. We're charging at 594 miles per hour. Really, really cool. So we only have about 100 more miles to go till we get to Charleston. So, all right guys, we are about 2/3 of the way through our charging. We've been here less than 10 minutes. Right now we're at $6.84, which is, about 2 gallons of gas. And in the Nissan, that would have gotten us about 40 miles.